Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to change the Discord font back. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser and you have to search for the betterdiscord.app. Once you will do it, here you will see this type of device. Click on the download and download the Better Discord and install it on your computer. Once you will do it, after that you will get a link in the description. You have to click on it and you have to download this file in your laptop or the computer. And once you will download it, simply you have to open your Discord, and here you will see user settings. Click on it. After that, scroll down and here you will see Better Discord. Simply you have to click on the themes and click on the open theme folder. After that, you have to paste the file you have downloaded from the GitHub from the link. You have to copy and paste this file in the Better Discord theme folder. And once you will do it, you will see this type of the changes right here. You have to turn on this toggle. So once you will do it, your Discord font back will be changed. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.